In the case of Facebook India, Vice President Ajit Mohan versus the Delhi's Peace and Harmony Committee, today Delhi Legislative Assembly, represented by senior advocate Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, stated in the Supreme Court that a fresh notice or summon would be issued to Facebook India, and that Ajit Mohan in person need not appear before the Delhi's Peace and Harmony Committee, and that any other senior, responsible and competent officer of Facebook India can appear before Delhi's Peace and Harmony Committee. While substantiating why senior advocate Harish Salve's arguments were not correct in the case, and that why senior advocate Harish Salve in this case was on a constitutional high horse, as quoted by Mr. Singhvi, he argued that, "I am not arguing xenophobia, I am arguing on principles. One cannot say that they will appear before European Committee and not here because the subject does not suit us. Nothing is argued by them apart from jurisprudential heights." He further argued, "We have someone here who claims to be a Republic of Facebook in Republic of India. Their stand is against the established norm where a committee has the power to summon and enforce presence of an individual, including a corporation." This case will again be heard tomorrow. While hearing a bunch of petitions challenging the validity of the Uttar Pradesh Religious Conversion Prohibition Ordinance and the Freedom of Religion Act 2018 of Uttarakhand by certain advocates and citizens for peace and justice, the Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde said that he would like to have the benefit of the High Court judgments in both these cases, as Allahabad High Court and Uttarakhand High Court were already hearing these two particular challenges. When senior advocate Sanjay Parikh insisted that the court hears the case since a notice was issued, the Chief Justice of India said, "We are on a question of jurisdiction. The Allahabad High Court and Uttarakhand High Courts are hearing this. We will have the benefit of the High Court judgment. That's why we declined transfer petition. We are not disputing the importance, but let the High Court hear it," said Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde. Well, in the latest development, Congress leaders Shashi Tharoor, journalists Rajdeep Sardesai, Mrinal Pandey, Zafar Haga, Vinod Jose, Paresh Nath and Anand Nath have moved Supreme Court against the FIRs issued against them as frivolous and that they should be cancelled. The FIRs against these journalists and the Congress leader was registered after tweets made in relation to the farmer protests case. The Supreme Court also heard a PIL regarding the tractor rally violence that happened in the National Capital Territory on the 26th of January, and the PIL primarily prayed for an inquiry commission or an investigation to be conducted into the violence that took place in the national capital. However, Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde, relying on a statement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi that the government will let law take its own course, told all the councils that central government was inquiring into the matter and that the court would not be venturing into this. Saying this much, the petition was dismissed. Well, that's all from Supreme Court today. Do stay tuned with Supreme Court today tomorrow as well, and don't forget to like and share baronbench.com.